Welcome to this tutorial of Opus Clip. I'll show you the features, settings, and workflow I use to create short-form clips from long videos. If you want to check out the platform while you watch, I've included an affiliate link in the description below, which helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Once you click on the link, you'll be taken to this website. As you can see, it lets you get started right away, where you can just put a video link right here. If you're curious about the different pricing plans, you can just go to pricing and see that they have a few different options. You can choose between monthly and yearly. If you're not ready to start paying it and you just want to test out the platform, there is a free plan when you scroll down, and you can just click on there to create an account. So to get started, I'm going to clip one of my videos that I just posted the other day about Shopify. So I'm going to post the link in here, and that's just directly from my YouTube channel, and then I will select Get Free Clips. You just select this one more time, it will tell you how many credits you're using, and you just select Get Clips in one click. And you can track the progress of your project right here. Okay, now my video is ready, so I'm going to click on it, and it will show me all of the different clips that it created. It scores it right here by video quality, so it automatically puts the top videos at the front. As you can see, it generated 10 different clips from my video. So I can click through and decide which ones I want to use, which ones I want to prioritize, and I can add them to TikTok directly from here. So as you can see, it took a chunk of the script, it took part of the video, it automatically added subtitles, it added a title up here for a hook, and then it rates it here. If you want to make changes, you can edit the clip, you can write a new AI hook, you can enhance the speech, and add B-roll. You can also directly publish it onto social media from here, or export it or download it. So if I want to add B-roll, I'll click here, and I can choose here if I want to use AI B-roll or stock B-roll. It's already generating AI B-roll, so I'll see what it generates. I can also move my captions around to where I want them. Okay, so as you can see right here, it just added some AI B-roll. So if I click play, I'll be able to see the B-roll and the captions that it's added. If I want to add more B-roll, go to B-roll and then click on auto generate AI B-roll again. If you want to try regenerating the B-roll, you can go to B-roll on the right-hand side and generate it. If you don't like the AI, you can try stock B-roll. Another option that's brand new that I've actually never tried before is this prompt B-roll. It looks like you can just describe an idea and it will auto-generate an AI B-roll for you based on your prompt. There are also other options for video editing like transitions, text, music, AI hook. A few other features of Opus Clip are what we already saw, which is long to shorts. You can use AI captions, the video editor, you can enhance the speech, you can do an AI reframe, AI B-roll, AI hook, and script to video. When you're very first getting started, it's also helpful to click on the brand template. This helps you set up your brand, which makes everything a lot more streamlined and quick to use in the future. You can add a logo and save your template. If you want to save branding like fonts and other information, it will be in the asset library. So you can save your fonts and media here. You can schedule posts by using the calendar feature. You can view your success of your posts in analytics. You can connect your social platforms on here. You can also invite members if you want other people to have access to Opus Clip. One feature I also wanted to go over was the script to video feature. And this is using Agent Opus, which is connected with Opus. It's all part of the same company, but it is kind of its own website. As you can see, it has different features over here. So this is where you actually create a video using Opus's technology. So you have script to video, audio to video, assets to ads, AI UGC videos, news and articles to video, and motion graphics. Okay, so I have a script here. I'm going to paste it in here, get rid of anything that the AI won't be able to read. You can choose an AI voice directly in here. I'm going to select Emma and apply. You can go to assets where you can add logos or characters or objects, and you can choose style. There are a lot of different styles to choose from. You can also create your own style. I uploaded a 100% B-roll and it created my own style. But for the purpose of this video, I will use the halftone. I want to make sure it's the right proportions, and using the right program, the Cdance 2.0 is the best option right now. And then I will hit go. It will ask you to confirm the script. You just select confirm and it will tell you how many credits you're using, and then it will begin generating your video. Okay, now my video is ready, so I'm going to watch it and see what I think. So if you want to make changes to the video, you can click in here for what you'd like to edit. So at this part where the girl walked backwards, I would probably write in here, and then I can select that and have it fix it for me. If you have the higher version of Opus Clip, you can download it without a watermark. You can also copy the style and edit things accordingly. Hopefully this tutorial helped you understand how Opus Clip works and how to start creating clips more efficiently. If you want to test this out for yourself, you can find my affiliate link in the description below, which helps support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.